Here again with another interesting tutorial. We are going to make a photo manipulation typography trick using Pixellab and Ps Touch. Let's go over and get the text. This is mango, so let's go and type here mango. Alright, it's a mango fruit, so look for a decent font that is a little bit at least bold and at the same time should be long. So I'm using this guy here, mango, as you can see it right here. Alright, so cool, right? Okay, so I'm going to come over here and I'm going to change the background to transparent like this. I'm going to click image, save as PNG. Alright, then I'm going to go over to Ps Touch. So go Ps Touch. I'm going to drop a link in the description for you to download it if at all you don't have it yet. I'll click on a plus icon here and I'll click on photo library. I'll click on photos. Right, so it's easy for me to get it right here. I've gotten it. This is it. Are you getting it now? All right, now I'll click on this icon, this layer again. This layer, right, is over there. Now I'm going to click on it again like this, and I'll click on plus. I'll add another photo layer, which is going to be the background. Right, so I'm going to download. Not here. Alright, so I'm going to get the background now. So I think if we go to Pixellab now, we should be able to get it. Alright, so let's go again. Alright, click, go to photos. Alright, so this is it. Alright, so this is it, right? Now, then you're going to bring this guy to the front, this guy. Alright, you see that now I've brought it to the front. Then I'm going to go over here. You'll see wrap. Alright, click on wrap text. Then zoom in like this and try to adjust it. So I'm putting this here, putting this here, right? I'm putting this here. I'm bringing this here. I'm bringing this here. Right, so you can zoom in if you're not getting it correctly. So just make sure that everything is properly adjusted. Okay. All right. Keep adjusting it. Not there. Okay, how is it now? Right, so still want to touch here. All right, so let's see it. So now that you are done with you adjust it the way to your taste. All right, then you come over here, you okay it. Are you seeing that now? So when you've okayed it, then you come to this and then you hide this guy. All right, so that you'll be able to click done, click save. All right, then click on share, click on save to gallery, then click on PNG, then select the mango right there and then click on OK, and it has been saved already. So we'll now come over to Pixellab now. All right, then we'll come over to Pixellab now. We'll now import it. So this is it. This is a wrap test. So import it and just use scale to drag it here like this. All right. Okay. Once you are done with that, you want to bring in a shape here, from here to here, to cover this. All right. Then you can go over here and just hide it. All right. This mango here, click on it, the wrap test, then click on texture, then bring in the background as a texture. So like this, I'm bringing in this background as a texture. All right, bring in the background as a texture and scale it like this. All right, I guess it didn't work. Let's try it again. So enable this guy, click on texture, bring in the background as a texture. Are you seeing that now? It worked now. So scale it like this. You see, so you see that the background is already a texture now. So it's done. Then we can come over here now, bring this guy here. So we can come over here now and we can move this guy here like this. Are you seeing that now? We can move this guy here. All right, something is wrong. So how do we correct it? Come in, take this one out. This guy is not supposed to be here. Remove it. Right. So adjust it there. All right. Then let's check. Then we can bring this guy now in. All right. So I'm bringing this guy in. Okay. So we'll move this like this. I see that now. Then we'll go to mask. All right. Then we'll click on enable. Click on art like this. So we'll begin to mask this guy. All right. So you mask it exactly the way it is there. So I'm moving this here. I see that now. Alright, moving this here. Alright, then I'm clicking plus here. Plus. I'm adjusting it like this. Okay. Adjusting it like this. Alright. Alright, so this is out, this is in, and this is out. Alright. Okay, make sure that this part is also properly done. Alright. Okay, when you're done, you can click save and you have it like this. So I'm going to mesh both together. Let's see. Right, I'm going to mesh both together. Right, I'm merging both together. Okay, so that I can come over here and I'll clean that part. Alright, this part here. So I'll just come over here, zoom in, and I'll clean this part. Okay. right, so with that we are done. Don't forget to like this tutorial and come back for more. My name is Nia Amuda and I will see you in that tutorial. Subscribe.